Hey everyone, welcome back. So, look at our project. We have a bunny, we can drag him around and we can click on him. It's cool, but it's a not game yet. Why? Because there is no score. There is no game over text. Without numbers and text, the player doesn't know if they are winning. Today, we are going to fix that. We are going to build a professional UI, and the best part, I'm going to show you a secret tool that writes the styling code for us. So, you don't have to guess. Now, let's say we could write code manually and guess numbers like stroke thickness, gradients, font style for us text, but it takes forever. Instead, go to this website, search for PixiJS Text Editor. So, this is the tool. I've put the link in the description. This is the official style editor. Look at this. I can change the font family, I can change the font style, font size, font style of the text. I can fill the colors here. Let's say I need a gradient. We can give some stroke here. We can give some shadow here. We can change the color of the shadow too. Once you like how it looks, look at the bottom. It generates a JSON for you. So copy it and paste it somewhere. So we can use it when we want. We don't need to write a single line of CSS. Just copy this JSON from the editor inside the curly brace. Now we define the Pixie text style. So for defining it, we just like score style. So we'll paste our JSON here. So now we have a score style here. Let's create actual text object. Here we'll pass two things. First is the actual text we want to show on the screen, and second one is the style we have created. Let's give some positioning. And the best part and the main step, we need to add it to the stage. Don't forget anything to add on the stage, otherwise it won't be visible on your screen. So now save it, and you can see we have text style here. Let's increase the font here so you can see properly. Now let's make it actually work. We need a variable to track the player point. So let's take a variable, let score number equals to 0. Every time we click on the bunny, it will update. Whenever we are updating the score number, we need to update the text also. Okay, so I think mm, 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 mm. Yeah. So here we'll write. So now you can see every time you click on the bunny, your score is getting updated. Now pause for a second. I need to give you a pro warning. Updating text like we just did is expensive. Behind the scene, Pixie has to generate a brand new image and upload it to the graphics card every time the text changes. For a score that updates on a click, it's fine, but never do this inside your app.ticker loop for a timer that updates every millisecond. Your game will lag. If you need fast changing text, we use something called bitmap text, but that's an advanced topic for another video. For UI, this method is perfect. One last thing. Let's say you want a game over screen right in the middle. So let's create one more text here. I'll be using the same score style, and let's place it in the center of the screen using F screen width by 2. Height by 2. uh, let's add this in the stage. Let me change the position of a bunny a bit. Let's make it 2.5. So wait, we have a game over, but it's not in the middle. That looks incorrect. That's because the anchor is at the top left of the text. We need to move the handle of the text to the center. So we need to set the anchor. It's the same we did for the bunny. So now you can see that our game over is perfectly centered. So today we learned, don't write styles manually. Use the text editor. I'll be sharing you the link in the description. Easy to use, but don't update the Pixie text in the app.ticker. Use 0.5 anchor to center your labels. Now, our game looks good, but the code is getting messy. Everything is in one big file. In the next video, we are going to learn scene management, how to switch from main menu to the game properly. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Happy coding.